and welcome to Trade Show Joe video series. I'm Dan Riley, and today I'd like to share with you a new product that we're going to be marketing called the 3D Snap Tension Fabric Pop-Up Display. And what it is an evolution of pop-up displays in that you've got an aluminum pop-up expandable structure with a series of dye sublimation stretchy fabric flags that attach to it. So let's have a look. So this is our 3D Snap pop-up trade show display. Comes in a very compact size. This particular model collapses down from a 10-foot display all the way down to something that's quite manageable. It's all aluminum, lightweight, easy to set up. And I'll go ahead and show you now how it works. So that is basically it. It simply expands from a small size all the way up into its large 10-foot size. This particular unit comes in a variety of different sizes and configurations. This particular one is a 10-foot model, so it's 10 foot in width from left to right. And the height of this particular one measures a little bit shorter than 90 inches. It's completely customizable. All of these graphics are printed on a stretchy spandex-like graphic material. They are connected permanently or semi-permanently to little hubs or little nodules at each point on the framework. So you can connect these completely in the front if you wanted to. You can connect these kind of at an angle. We've got this one connected at the front, then the back, and then we've got it connected in the back and the back. So it gives it kind of a little bit more of a three-dimensional look. These are two-sided, so you do have the ability to be able to have a message conveyed on the front, and then you've got the ability, if you need it, to be able to connect graphics to convey a message to the back side, or if it's ever turned sideways, you'd have it coming and going. Now, as far as the flags go, they're printed using a digital dye sublimation print process, state-of-the-art, near photo quality, and do a beautiful job of being able to imprint a super nice, clean image directly onto a spandex-like stretchy fabric material. You can do things nearly photographic, such as this guy here coming across the water. Or if you want to do something more simple, these are just dyed black. So they make a nice backdrop with nothing on them. This one's a good example of a logo being printed on them. The size can vary on these. In addition to the size of the frame, we can do tabletops, we can do 10-foot units, 8-foot units, 6-foot units. There's about 20 or so configurations that have already been thought out for this particular product. We've got the design templates and everything to be able to have for you or your designer or us to be able to put together the project. Let's see, the units can come with a variety of different sizes of fabric flags, we call these. And by sizes, you can have a size that's this size, which is roughly about 30 inches by 30 inches square. If you wanted one that was basically more triangular, you could actually turn this into a triangle shape. So it'd be like a yield sign. And you can connect it here, and here, and here, and here, and be able to have a large triangle displayed on the image. If you wanted to have an entire strip of fabric that goes from here at the bottom and interconnects all the way up these quads, you could do it that way. You could cover up 4 quads. Each one of these boxes, horizontally and vertically, we refer to as a quad. And if you wanted to, for your design perspective, have a graphic that comes from this quad, that spans over to this quad, and goes all the way to the floor and back over, that gives you about a 5 foot by 5 foot image, and that can all be one image. So what my point is here is that these are very customizable. You've got the ability to mix and match shapes and sizes to give it a unique look. You've got the ability to also be able to adapt if you go to different shows and you're like, well, that guy really fits well for the outdoor show, but we really are trying to get more of a female demographic, and that's not really working over here with this guy. So we can swap out just that one flag and make it specific to your needs instead of you incurring the cost of doing everything all over again. So it really is nice, versatile, flexible, and offers a whole lot of different offers, all for a very good price. So the unit is all aluminum. It goes up and compresses down very easily. The way that it's held into place is with magnets on most of the quads that interconnect, and then there are 2 little connectors on the far left and far right side that lock into place so that the unit is completely stable and isn't going to collapse on you whenever it's unintended. You can get this package with either a nylon fitted carrying bag, so something kind of like a golf bag. You can get this with a hard molded case. You can get it with lights. There's a lot of different things that we can kind of do to customize it for you. So the unit goes down just about as easily it goes up. You simply unlock the mechanism and press down on it, and it simply is going to fold and collapse completely in place. The press-on flags or graphics never need to come off until you're ready for them to. And that's basically it. That's our 3D Snap display. So thank you for taking the time to learn a little bit more about our 3D Snap new pop-up style display. We're pretty excited about it, and we've got templates made and ready to go for all the different design configurations. Please feel free to learn more about the product and our other things available at tradeshowjoe.com. While there, feel free to give us a call, toll free, direct chat, or email anytime.